After purchasing referral source tracking for Gravity Forms, we need to install the plugin on our website. Let's go to Plugins, Add Plugin, Upload Plugin, and install the plugin. Activate it. Next, we need to register the plugin with Plugin Brewery. Enter your license key. Activate it. And you'll notice a general tab appears. We need to save changes. And now, referral source tracking for Gravity Forms is active on any new form we create, including the existing one. Now let's test it. Open an incognito window and go to your website and type /?gclid = test. Now let's go to our form. Inside entries, you'll notice the source is Google Ads, the referral parameters pass through, and the referrer is in there. There's additional columns you can activate if you'd like. This information is also viewable inside of an entries export. So let's test that next. Select the form, select all fields, and we'll choose a range. You can even see them right here. Download the file. And you'll notice that the information is inside our export. And that's it. If you have any questions, reach out to us at pluginbrewery.com.